Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best Color Oops is probably one of the most talked about hair color removers on the market, promising to effectively lift artificial color without damaging your precious strands, making it a go-to for those looking to correct a color mishap or simply start fresh with a new shade. In this video, we're diving deep into whether this popular product lives up to its reputation, examining its effectiveness, ease of use, and overall impact on hair health, so you can make an informed decision before you buy. Number 5. K18 Molecular Repair Hair Oil. Discover the revolutionary K18 Molecular Repair Hair Oil. It's designed to bring strength and health back to your hair. Experience a weightless formula that works to make your hair significantly stronger. You'll feel the difference with every use. This product is crafted to restore your hair's natural health. Achieve visibly healthier results without any heavy residue. No matter your hair type, this oil is for you. It provides universal benefits for everyone seeking better hair. Embrace the future of hair care with this advanced molecular repair. It's the solution you've been waiting for to transform your locks. What we like. This product offers advanced molecular repair for significantly stronger, healthier hair. Its weightless formula is perfect for all hair types, ensuring no heaviness. If you're looking to deeply repair damaged hair and achieve ultimate strength, this is your go-to solution. What people say. It's incredibly lightweight and feels like I have nothing on my hair, yet it leaves everything smooth and polished. It helps tame frizz without weighing my hair down, and the scent is very mild, which I really appreciate. The oil is extremely lightweight but does a great job of hydrating my ends, which are long overdue for a trim. Number 4. Malibu Sea Leave-In Conditioner and Moisturizing Heat Protectant. Discover the ultimate solution for your hair care needs. This versatile spray detangles and protects, making hair manageable for everyone. Use it daily to keep your hair smooth and hydrated. It's perfect for everyday styling and ensuring your hair looks its best. After swimming, protect your hair from damage and color fading. It helps maintain vibrancy and health, even after exposure to pool water. Safeguard your hair from heat styling tools. This formula provides a protective barrier, preventing damage and keeping your hair healthy. Shield your hair color from harmful UV rays. It helps prevent fading, ensuring your color stays bright and beautiful for longer. Suitable for both adults and children, this detangler is gentle yet effective. Enjoy soft, manageable hair for the whole family. What we like. This offers daily hydration and essential heat protection for your hair. It also helps prevent color fading with built-in UV protection, making it ideal for post-swim care. If you need a versatile leave-in that detangles, protects from heat and sun, and keeps color vibrant, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It also works well when using an airbrush for styling. No heavy residue. Hair is soft and bouncy. My color hasn't faded and my hair is soft and still smells great after getting out of the pool. Number 3. Milk_Shake Icy Blond Conditioner. Discover the award-winning toning conditioner designed specifically for platinum blonde hair. It's your secret weapon against unwanted yellow and brassy tones. Infused with black pigment, this conditioner effectively neutralizes yellow and brassy tones. Achieve a perfectly cool blonde shade with every wash. Not only does it tone, but it also deeply hydrates your hair. Experience softer, more manageable locks with a beautiful, bright finish. Enhance and brighten your existing cool blonde tones. This formula is perfect for maintaining that icy, salon-fresh look at home. It's the ultimate solution for maintaining vibrant, cool blonde hair. Get ready to love your shade even more with this incredible conditioner. What we like. This award-winning conditioner is designed to neutralize yellow and brassy tones in platinum blonde hair. It effectively hydrates and brightens cool tones, leaving hair looking refreshed. If you have icy or platinum blonde hair and want to maintain its cool, vibrant shade while keeping it hydrated, this is the ideal product for you. What people say. This conditioner does not weigh it down or make it feel greasy. It washes out all the orange in my hair and tones the gray and blonde highlights perfectly, erasing the demarcation of grow out at the root line. The black pigment works better than purple or blue toning products. Number 2. Lang Hair Violet Purple Toning Shampoo. Tired of brassy tones ruining your hair color? Our violet purple toning shampoo is designed to restore your hair's vibrancy and bring back its natural beauty. This powerful formula effectively removes yellow, orange, and brassy tones, leaving your hair looking refreshed and revitalized. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to brilliant color. Experience the magic of tone correcting. It works to neutralize unwanted shades, ensuring your hair color remains true to its intended shade. Protect your beautiful hair from the damaging effects of UV rays. Our shampoo provides essential UV protection, helping to maintain color integrity and hair health. No matter your hair type, this toning shampoo is formulated to be gentle yet effective. It's the perfect addition to any hair care routine for vibrant, healthy-looking locks. What we like. This shampoo is formulated to correct hair color by removing unwanted yellow, orange, and brassy tones. It also provides UV protection, safeguarding your hair color from sun damage. If you're looking to effectively tone and brighten blonde or highlighted hair while protecting it from environmental stressors, this shampoo is an excellent option. What people say. This shampoo is the best ever. Makes my hair the color I'm looking for after washing. Definitely recommend for blonde hair. It is highly pigmented and doesn't have to stay on the hair long at all. I've never had such a quick result getting rid of yellows. Number 1. Color Oops Hair Color Removing Wipes. Accidentally dyed your hair the wrong color? Don't worry, we've got you covered. These wipes make fixing hair color mistakes easy. Say goodbye to messy drips and stains. Our convenient wipes offer a clean and simple way to remove unwanted hair color. Formulated to be gentle on your hair and scalp. They effectively lift away temporary color without causing damage. Keep a pack in your purse or travel bag for quick touch-ups. They are ideal for correcting color anytime, anywhere. Easily remove fashion colors or dark dyes to reveal your desired look. Get back to your natural shade or try a new color with confidence. Each pack contains 10 individual wipes, providing multiple uses. This ensures you always have a solution for color mishaps. What we like. These wipes offer a quick and convenient way to remove hair color mistakes. They are designed for mess-free application, making touch-ups easy. If you've experienced color mishaps around your hairline or want to easily clean up stray dye, these wipes are an indispensable tool for a flawless finish. What people say. It removed the color effectively. It was easy to use and did not damage my hair. The product successfully lightened my hair to a lighter shade. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.